If you're a fan of cutting-edge camera technology, get ready because DJI seems to be preparing something revolutionary: the long-rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4. While there hasn't been an official announcement yet, leaks and rumors are already generating significant excitement. If even a fraction of these speculated features turns out to be accurate, we might be looking at one of the most powerful pocket-sized cameras to date. Whether you're a vlogger, a content creator, or simply someone looking to elevate their mobile video quality, the DJI Pocket 4 could be a game-changer. So, what makes this upcoming device so exciting? Let's break it down and explore the most significant features and enhancements that could set it apart. A new design for greater usability. One of the first things to discuss is the design and build quality. According to leaks, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature a slightly larger body, weighing around 190 grams. Despite the increase in size, it will maintain its pocket-friendly nature. The primary reason behind this size increase is likely the inclusion of a larger, upgraded touchscreen. Reports suggest the Pocket 4 will feature a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, an improvement over the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. Unbelievable 4K video and cinematic slow motion. When it comes to video capabilities, the DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a true powerhouse. Rumors indicate that it will support 4K recording at an astonishing 240 frames per second, which is double the slow motion capability of its predecessor. This means that creators can capture ultra-smooth slow-motion footage with remarkable clarity, perfect for cinematic storytelling. Whether you're filming action sequences, nature shots, or creative vlogs, this feature could open up exciting new possibilities. Autofocus has been a mixed bag in previous DJI Pocket models, with some users experiencing focus hunting issues. However, the Pocket 4 is expected to include phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and eye tracking, making autofocus much more responsive and reliable. Imagine walking through a bustling city while vlogging. The camera will lock onto your face and maintain focus, even as you move. The Active Track 7.0 system is also rumored to be included, combining PDAF and eye tracking for precise subject tracking. This could ensure that your footage remains smooth and in focus, even if your subject is moving rapidly within the frame. For vloggers and action shooters, this could be a game-changing feature. Extended battery life and faster charging. Battery life is always a major concern for portable cameras, and the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to come with significant improvements in power efficiency. While the exact battery capacity remains unknown, it is expected to exceed the 1,300 mAh battery of the Pocket 3, offering longer recording times. Fast charging is another area of improvement. Reports suggest that the Pocket 4 will support PD fast charging, reaching full charge in just 25 minutes. This is a noticeable improvement over the 32-minute charging time of the Pocket 3. Longer recording durations, combined with rapid charging, will make this camera even more reliable for on-the-go content creators. Additionally, enhanced heat management systems are rumored to be included, reducing the risk of overheating during prolonged shooting sessions. This will be particularly useful for those capturing extended footage, whether it's travel vlogs, interviews, or live events. Upgraded stabilization for smoother footage. DJI has always been known for its mechanical gimbal stabilization, and the Pocket 4 is expected to refine this further. Rumors suggest that it might combine mechanical stabilization with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms, resulting in even smoother footage. Whether you're filming high-motion action shots, fast panning movements, or cinematic sequences, this upgrade will help eliminate shakiness and enhance the professional quality of your videos. Expected price and release date. With all these exciting upgrades, the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to come at a higher price point. Leaks suggest that the standard version will be priced around $699, while the Creator Combo package could go up to $799. While this is a price increase over the previous model, the improved features and capabilities might justify the cost, especially for serious content creators looking for a powerful yet compact camera. As for the release date, the Pocket 4 is rumored to follow DJI's typical 3-year upgrade cycle, meaning we might see an official announcement in late 2026 or early 2027. While this means a bit of a wait, the enhancements could make it well worth the anticipation. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Pocket 4 worth the hype? Based on the leaks and rumors, The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be an incredible portable camera with a host of major improvements. The larger screen, refined design, enhanced sensor, powerful video capabilities, and improved autofocus make it a compelling option for vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers alike. The combination of 4K at 240 frames per second, 10-bit color recording, and advanced stabilization gives it a level of performance that could rival much larger camera systems. If you're looking for a compact, feature-packed, and highly portable camera, the Pocket 4 could be a fantastic investment. Of course, we'll need to wait for official confirmation from DJI, but if these leaks hold, this camera could truly be a game-changer in the world of compact video production. What are your thoughts on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Are you excited about the rumored features? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned to technology in the future for the latest updates on cutting-edge tech and camera innovations.